Breaking: Binance, KuCoin becomes India FIU-registered crypto exchanges. Binance and KuCoin, amidst regulatory turbulence, obtain approval from India's Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU), signaling a pivotal moment in the country's cryptocurrency landscape. Highlights: Binance and KuCoin register with India's FIU, navigating compliance hurdles. KuCoin pays $41,000 fine, resumes operations. However, Binance awaits penalty determination post-hearing. Regulatory landscape evolves as platforms negotiate, while collaborations aim to enhance crypto market accessibility. In a landmark development for the cryptocurrency industry in India, both Binance and KuCoin have successfully completed their registration processes with the country's Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU). This signifies a crucial step towards regulatory compliance and legitimacy within the Indian market. Notably, KuCoin, in its earnest effort to adhere to regulatory protocols, has promptly paid a significant penalty of $41,000, thereby clearing the path for its resumption of operations within the country. However, the process for Binance has encountered a minor hurdle. Binance and KuCoin regulatory approval in India amidst bans. The approval of Binance and KuCoin by India's FIU marks a pivotal moment amidst a backdrop of regulatory uncertainty and previous bans imposed on offshore cryptocurrency entities. Despite facing stringent regulatory scrutiny and being among the offshore entities banned for alleged illegal operations, both Binance and KuCoin have now emerged as the first offshore crypto-related entities to secure approval from India's Anti-Money Laundering Unit. This development reflects their commitment to compliance and regulatory alignment, paving the way for a new era of legitimacy and acceptance within the Indian crypto landscape. Notably, the ban at the end of last year encompassed several other prominent exchanges, including Huobi, Kraken, and Bitfinex. KuCoin's prompt resolution of its regulatory obligations, coupled with its payment of the imposed penalty, has enabled it to swiftly resume operations. Meanwhile, Binance's ongoing engagement with the FIU, including the resolution of its penalty amount post-hearing, highlights the exchange's dedication to regulatory transparency and cooperation as it navigates the evolving regulatory landscape in India. Regulatory landscape and collaborations. The evolving regulatory landscape in India has spurred proactive engagements and strategic maneuvers among cryptocurrency platforms seeking compliance and market access. Beyond Binance and KuCoin, platforms such as Kraken, Gemini, and Gate.io have initiated negotiations with Indian regulators, signaling a concerted effort towards regulatory alignment and market entry. However, challenges persist for offshore entities yet to secure registration with the FIU, as their services remain blocked pending regulatory approval. Amidst these developments, collaborations between global payment solutions providers and cryptocurrency exchanges have emerged as a pivotal strategy to facilitate seamless crypto transactions and enhance market accessibility for Indian users. The collaboration between Alchemy Pay, a leading payment solutions provider, and BitGet, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, exemplifies this trend. Through Alchemy Pay's on-ramp integration, BitGet users can now seamlessly utilize the Indian rupee (INR) to acquire cryptocurrencies, marking a significant milestone in bridging traditional financial systems with the burgeoning crypto economy in India.